But we don't have like a factory of players.
Yeah, like
So,
China.
and then I got to know what physio is or trainer is.
Yeah. Ma'am, what do you think events like these, Yonex Sunrise World Junior Championship, happening in India, do for Indian badminton growth?
I think the World Junior Championships, which is happening in Guwahati, is a very big sign that we have really grown in badminton, and it's improving so much that the stadiums are full. Everyone wants to watch badminton.
Correct.
They want to follow the results of badminton. So I can only say that we are progressing, but we just need more results. We are lacking in results, I think, somewhere from the last 3-4 years.
Correct.
But otherwise, all the athletes are playing really well now. World Junior Championships is happening, and next year the Senior World Championship will happen. So you can see India is going really well, and it can only, of course, the promotions are going extremely well, and people who didn't know about badminton are also getting to know because of the social media
Yes,
and YouTube. So I think it's growing really well. It's the second most loved sport after cricket,
Yes.
and I hope that in future we get many more athletes in different sports, all the sports, and India becomes a big sporting
You
nation.
might get number one favorite.
Hopefully,
Yeah.
hopefully.
Do you think today's juniors are luckier with better training and exposure, or is the hunger still the same?
Hunger is still the same. I would say coaching, the training part, if the physio part has become much more easier. I got the first physio when I was 19 and already played the Olympics, and I was world
World
number
Junior
2.
champion also.
Yeah, I won the
2008,
World Junior Championships, and I won the Youth Commonwealth Games title as well. So then I got to know what physio is or trainer is
Yeah.
after winning my first Indonesia Open title. Also, so yeah, nowadays I think at the age of 8-9 you're getting everything possible. So I personally feel that when you have everything at the age of 8-9, you should start performing early as well.
Better.
Early and better, and perform better when you're 16-17. So that's what I said, we are missing somewhere with the results.
Yeah.
But as I'm seeing the results here, Tanvi and Unnati are doing extremely well,
Extremely well.
and I hope one of them wins it
Yes.
and does well in India. So I can only say that the results must show.
Correct.
Otherwise, people really love the sport. We all are following it, and it's just that the matter of time when we just get results back to back.
Yes,
Satvik Chirag are doing extremely well.
Yeah. Ma'am, which areas do you think Indian badminton still needs to improve to dominate globally?
I think in men's we are very, very good with Lakshya and Priyanshu. They have
Yes, ma'am.
overall game,
Yeah.
good smashing, good retrieving. It's just that again I said results.
ma'am, just like
Sometimes
that-
19-20 का
Yeah.
difference हो जाता है.
Yeah. Just in doubles, we have only like one pair.
Yeah.
And if we see like China, they have already like 3 to 4 pairs who are just winning globally.
That's the thing, right? As I just mentioned, badminton is growing, but we need more players to come up. We need India to become a sporting nation. We need many more players to come in and play.
Yeah.
I know that after Satvik Chirag, we have 1-2 pairs, but we don't have like a factory of players.
Yeah, like
So,
China, yeah.
like China, Korea, Japan. So we need many players to come in and play. We should not just limit to 1-2 players.
Correct.
At the moment, you can name like Lakshya, Pranoy, or Priyanshu, but sometimes if they get injured, we don't have many players.
Many top players, yeah.
In women's, like, after Sindhu, we are still lacking
Yeah.
in the seniors category. So I can just say that maybe the players who are playing to just
Yeah.
train
Maybe
hard,
from
and
World Junior Championship.
I am
many
definitely
come.
sure it will happen, but I just want them to become more stronger, more powerful, and I'm sure the results will come. But overall, we need more players to come in,
Yeah,
not only in badminton, but different sports. We need more athletes to come in. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
और गाइस, अगर आपको पूरा टूर देखना है वर्ल्ड जूनियर चैंपियनशिप 2025 का, तो इस व्लॉग को गलती से भी मिस मत कर देना. जाओ यार, अभी देख लो.